So I'm on site right now checking on the progress of a strip out on an 8,000 square foot building. This is going to be 6 flats, each with 5 bedrooms. So I'm going to give you 3 top tips. Tip number 1, if you're going to think about doing anything like this, because there is risk involved, but to de-risk it, first thing you've got to think about is who on earth would want to live here and what will the scheme look like. And so if you don't know, if it's a brand new area to you, start working with people that do know, experts. So your power team. The second thing is, once you've decided the scheme, you've got to work out actually what would this be worth when that scheme's been built. It's called GDV. So in terms of developments, you might be actually walking around networking at property events and you're brand new to property, and you might wonder, what is GDV? You might be able to say, oh, the GDV was. G stands for gross, D for development, V for value, gross development value. And all that means in layman's terms, and I like to keep things simple, it means what's this thing going to be worth when it's done up, the done up value, the gross development value of the whole site. So it could be, if you're doing a small flat, it might be worth 100,000. If you're doing something like this, it might be worth 1.2 million. Whatever it is, it's the GDV, and then once you've got that, you can then start working out from there how much your profit you might be able to make. So once you've got the gross development value, you then can go, right, I know how much it's going to be cost when it's done up, well, how much it's worth, I know what the scheme is, but how much is this all going to cost? Because right now, it's actually costing us money to strip it all out, so I need to know how much it's going to cost to do the whole thing. So if it cost, let's say that it took £1 million to do this building, and it was only worth 1.2 million, it wouldn't be worth doing as much as the community needs it. For us, we're investors, developers, there's no money in it, so it wouldn't be worth it. So work out the GDV, work out who would want to live here, and then work out the build cost. How much would this cost to build? And then take your profit off, and then you now know how much this building potentially to buy for you. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, I encourage you to actually register and sign up for one of my events, a free event where you can learn about how you can do this stuff too. It's a system, you've got to basically understand it, you've got to know it, but ultimately if you spend time with people like myself who love giving you the value and teaching you how to do this, then there's no reason why you can't do this too. So I register below, and I'm excited to see you in person so we can really help you get to the postcode that you want through property. Take care. So there we go. I hope that's been of use and of value to you. I love giving content and value like this, so please do subscribe to this channel so you get the next latest updates, or join me on Facebook and Instagram as well. All the information's in the boxes below, and I even run free face-to-face events near you, so please do check them out too. My name's Tom, take care.